I can tell that you are the most beautiful girl in the room, in the whole wide room. And when you're on the street, depending on the street, I bet you were definitely in the top 3 good-looking girls on the street, depending on the street. And when I saw you at my mate's place, I thought, what is she doing at my mate's place? How did Dave get a hottie like that to a party like his good one, Dave? Ooh, you're a legend, Dave. I asked Dave if he's gonna make a move on you. He's not sure. I said, Dave, do you mind if I do? He says he doesn't mind, but I can tell he kinda minds. But I'm gonna do it anyway. I see you standing all alone by the stereo. I dim the lights down very low. You're so beautiful. You could be a waitress. You're so beautiful. You could be an air hostess in the 60s. You're so beautiful. Well, you could be a part-time model. And then I seal the deal. I do my moves, I do my dance moves. If you struggle to just me and you, and 7 other dudes around you on the dance floor, I draw you near, let's get out of here. Let's get in a cab, I'll buy you a kebab. And I can't believe that I'm sharing a kebab with the most beautiful girl I have ever seen with a kebab. Ooh. Well, why don't we leave? Let's go to my house. We could feel each other up on the couch. Oh no, I don't mind taking it slow. Oh, no, yeah. 'Cause you're so beautiful, like a tree or a high-class prostitute. You're so beautiful. You could be a part-time model. You probably still have to keep your normal job. Part-time model. Spending part of your time modeling and part of your time next to me. My place is usually tidier than this.
Introducing Flight of the Conchords, a new comedy series. Premieres Sunday, June 17th at 10:30, only on HBO.